Further, I've got a knife. Thank you.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, if you could just carefully open that item that's been passed to you.
Would you like me to take it out of the bag?
No, at this point, can you tell me what it is? Do you recognize it?
Yes, I recognize it.
What is it?
It is the trash can that was recovered at Muddy Creek.
Okay, and I'm asking you to speak a little bit closer into that microphone so we can catch it for the court reporter.
You want me to answer again?
Yeah, if you can answer again.
This is the trash can we found that night at Muddy Creek.
Okay, and is that the actual trash can that was found that night?
Yes.
Okay. We'd ask that be made exhibit number 196.
Any objections? No. Before exhibit 196.
Permission to publish to the jury, Your Honor. Agent Gratz, I'm going to let you now take it out and show the jury. And if you can, try to, while you're displaying that to the jury, continue to display it, but try to also speak into the microphone so we can hear. There appears to be black residue on that trash can. Can you tell the jury what that's from?
Yeah, thank you. Yes, this trash can has gone under what I would say a significant analysis at this point. This black residue is going to be from the lab in Nashville placing dust on it in order to identify any fingerprints. Further, if I can set it down, if you can take a look around the rim and see how it looks irregular, that's not the way it looked that night.
When you say irregular, are you talking about the notches that are cut out?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, and you can see, there's tool marks where the lid of the trash can has been removed.
Okay, and so that is not how it looked when you took it into evidence that night?
Correct.
Okay. Are you aware of who took that off?
Yes.
Who took that off?
David Hoover at the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation Lab in Nashville.
Okay.
He's a forensic scientist special agent.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we're done with that exhibit, and I'm going to pass you.
The lid's down.
Pass you the next exhibit. Same thing, if you could just open it and see if you recognize it. Okay. Do you recognize that item?
Yes, I recognize this.
Okay. And what is it?
This was a piece of gum that was removed from the inside of the trash can that I just showed you.
Okay. And was that also taken into evidence?
Yes, this was processed into evidence that night.
Okay, we ask that be made exhibit number 197, please.
Those are 197.
And permission to publish, Your Honor.
Yes.
May I please see exhibit number 18? Okay. I'm going to show you a photograph that's already been admitted into evidence. It's exhibit 18. I'm going to try to zoom in for you. Okay. Do you see, and I know that's not the best zooming in, can you show the jury what you were just referencing for the exhibit we just entered?
This is the trash can that was inside the playhouse,
Okay.
and this is the piece of gum that we removed.
Okay. Pass you the next. Okay, do you have that one open?
Yes, I have it
Okay,
open.
and are you able to recognize what that is?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what is it?
This is a black trash bag that was recovered from the trash can that night.
Okay. And was that also taken into custody and sent to the TBI lab for analysis?
Yes, this was.
Okay, if we could ask that be made exhibit number 198, please. Can I have number 18 one more time? Sorry. Permission to publish to the jury, Your Honor. You could just take it out, and you may want to stand up and show it to the jury so everyone can see it. And can you explain to the jury why parts have been removed from the bag that you're holding. I believe you're holding up part of that.
Yes, I am. Again, similar to the trash can, this has gone or undergone significant forensic testing. You can see the powder of the residue that would have been done at the Nashville lab. There's insect debris that we found in or on this trash bag. And this is a cutout that was done at the Nashville lab.
Okay. And where was that trash bag found?
Inside of the trash can at Muddy Creek.
Okay. You can go ahead and try to put it back in, and then I'm going to show you the same exhibit number 18. Okay. Okay. Are you okay? Are you making it? Okay. Your Honor, the defense wants us to make, and we are not opposed to this, making the insect debris its own exhibit. 199, okay. Okay, so back to exhibit number, what's been previously marked as exhibit 18. Can you tell us, is that the black trash bag that you were just referencing?
Yes, that's correct. That's the bag.
Sorry, I don't think I'll need that again. Okay, sorry. Do you have that open?
Yes, it's open.
Do you recognize it?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
This is a Dasani water bottle.
Okay. Where was that located?
It was with the trash that we located that night at Muddy Creek.
Okay. And did you also take that into evidence?
Yes.
And was that item sent to the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation Crime Lab for analysis?
Yes, it was.
We'd ask that be made exhibit number 200.
Any objections? Can we approve?
Okay, to clarify, where was that water bottle found?
I don't remember if this was found in the trash can or in the bags that were with the trash can.
Okay.
Question.
Just 1 minute. Okay. All right, Your Honor, at this time, I think we're going to ask that be made Exhibit 200 for ID only. Good with that? We did have it. Okay. If you could pass that to the clerk, please. What's the next? One more. Okay, give me 92 and 53. You have that open?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to identify what it is?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What is it?
In this bag here, it has sheets of aluminum foil. It
Okay.
has some sheets that are by themselves, and there's a box where I had placed some sheets inside this box at a later time.
Okay. And where was that aluminum foil recovered?
It was inside the trash can around the victim's head.
Okay. Your Honor, we'd ask that, well, and was that taken into custody by law enforcement?
Yes.
Okay. And was that sent to the TBI crime lab for analysis?
Yes.
We'd ask that be made exhibit number 201.
Objection. No.
Before we finish, now, this bag and box, are you separating them, or are you collective?
Agent Gratz, can you specify why the foil is in a bag and a box?
So there's the brown paper bag. It's inside this. There are sheets of foil.
In the bag?
Yes.
Is there anything else inside the box?
As far as I know, it's not been opened. I can open it up and look. Would you like me to do that now?
Yes.
Yes, there is something inside this box.
Okay, so that bag, let me clarify, that bag was not inside the box? The bag of aluminum foil? I passed you a box,
Yes.
okay? You opened it, what was inside the box?
There are sheets of aluminum foil in here,
Okay.
in addition to this box.
Oh, that's a separate box, I see.
Yes.
Okay, so for now, we just ask that the aluminum foil be made exhibit number 201, that was inside the bigger box. Oh, I'm sorry, the aluminum foil. That. Okay, before we get to the small white box, can we have permission to publish exhibit number 201?
Yes.
Thank you. So you may need to stand. I'd just like the jury to see, for you to show them exhibit number 201, please.
Would you like me to unfold these pieces?
Yes, please. Agent Gratz, was it flat and folded like that when you removed the item from the victim?
No, if you can remember from the photographs, part of this was formed around Evelyn's head, and part of this was sort of still stretched out. At a later day, we pulled it all out to do the measurements and the photographs that you also saw on Saturday. And then I folded it back up for evidentiary processing purposes.
Okay. You're going to be like the record reflect, he's showing a second piece of foil at this time.
All within that same bag.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And we'd ask the record reflect he's showing a third piece of foil.
These are various pieces that are essentially caked together.
Okay. We'd ask the record reflect he's showing the jury smaller pieces of foil.
So,
This is another piece that's wadded up with material.
You'll have to speak up for the microphone. Sorry.
This is another piece that's wadded up that has some material on it.
Material, what do you mean?
This is going to be a combination of human decomposition as well as trash that was in the trash can.
Can we approach?
We'd ask the record to reflect he was holding up another smaller wadded up piece of foil.
This is another small piece of foil. These are boxes that contain hair that was found on the floor.
Agent Gratz, what you just showed the jury, you said that was taken from with the foil.
Yes.
Okay, and that was taken into evidence.
Yes.
Okay, Your Honor, we'd ask that be made exhibit number 202.
what are, that's the issue.
And what is it?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
These are
Don't
Two.
show it to the jury yet, please.
evidentiary containers that have been sealed up. Each individually is labeled hair from full.
Okay.
Before exhibit 202. What's the letter? Will be selected.
Okay. If I could have exhibit 201 passed back to the clerk. Are you able to grab that white box?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask that you open it and see if you're, without showing it to the jury, and see if you can identify what is inside.
Yes, I can identify this.
Okay. What is it?
Is another piece of aluminum foil.
Okay. How many pieces of aluminum foil?
This is one piece.
Okay.
If I open it up, it may break apart
Right.
because it was sort of fragile or not a solid sheet by
Okay.
the way we recovered it.
Okay.
But it is one sheet.
Okay. And where was that recovered from?
This was around the head of the victim, Evelyn, inside of the trash can recovered at Muddy Creek.
Okay. And are there markings on that foil that were not performed by law enforcement?
There are markings on here that would have been done at the lab.
Okay. So that was sent to the TBI lab for analysis?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, we'd ask that be made exhibit number 203.
No objection.
The full exhibit 202.
Thank you.
Your Honor, permission to publish?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
This goes off white. There's nothing else in the box.
Have you, if you could open that next box that's been passed to you. Okay.
Okay, I have it open.
Okay. Are you able to identify that?
I'll have to look further inside this bag.
Okay.
Yes, I can
Okay.
identify this.
Okay. You said yes, you can.
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
This is the outfit that the victim was wearing that night
Okay.
when she was recovered.
Okay. And is there anything else other than the outfit?
I've made one fold over and there's some insect debris inside the bag.
Okay.
That appears to be everything.
Okay. One moment. May I approach the witness briefly? We'll make sure. Is it in a plastic bag? Okay. Okay. It's not in a plastic bag. May we approach? You should see the backup so it doesn't take it. Okay. I don't remember what all I've asked you on that yet. Did you state where that was found?
Yes, this was found inside the trash can that night at Muddy Creek.
Okay, and did I ask you what it was?
I'm not sure at this
Okay,
point.
what is it?
This is like a fleece onesie.
Okay, and where was it found inside the trash can?
It was on the body of the victim. Evelyn.
Okay, would ask that be made exhibit number 204.
Full exhibit.
Well, I'm sorry, we're going to ask for permission to publish it.
Be very careful. That's it.
Be very careful. Try to leave it maybe on the butcher paper if you can. Thank you.
Do you want me to fold it back up?
Yes, please. And try to maybe seal it back up into the box if you can, the best that you can after we fold it back up. Okay, I'm going to pass you another item. Okay, are you able to identify what is in that box?
There are several bags. Would you like me to go individually through each bag and open them?
One moment. Do you see the bag that may contain a blanket?
Yes.
Okay, could you look at that bag, please?
I'm going to go ahead and
Yes,
Hold
open it and see if you can identify what it is.
I have it partially open and I can identify it.
Okay, what is it?
It is a fleece blanket.
Okay, any other descriptive things that you can reference about that blanket? What does it look like?
So it's gray and white and has a like a running pattern through it.
Okay, and do you know where that was located?
Yes, this was inside the trash can.
Okay, and where was it located inside the trash can?
It was around the victim.
Okay, we'd ask that be made exhibit number 205.
No objection.
Full exhibit 205.
Am I taking this out or putting it back in?
Just one moment. Permission to publish, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
Okay. Yes, if you could just show that to the jury, again with the same thoughts to try to be as careful as you can.